Good morning and a warm welcome. I am Pradosh Sharma and you are watching News Flash. The district magistrate has imposed prohibitory orders in Jiribam following violent clashes between two armed groups that killed 5 people, including an elderly man. Restrictions on public gathering and carrying arms have been enforced. National Security Advisor Ajit Doval will visit Moscow on September 10 and 11 to discuss a peaceful resolution to the Russia-Ukraine war. His visit underscores India's growing role in the mediating global conflicts. The upcoming Quad Summit will take place in Wilmington, Delaware instead of India. It marks the final summit for both US President Joe Biden and Japan's PM Fumio Kishida ahead of the UNGA. A jackal attacked villagers in Jehanabad, injuring 7 people, including 2 children. The injured were treated in a nearby hospital, and forest officials are investigating the incident. External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar arrived in Bihar to participate in the first India-Gulf Cooperation Council Foreign Ministers meeting, marking a significant diplomatic engagement between India and Gulf countries. Defense Minister Rajnath Singh urged residents of Pakistan-occupied Kashmir to rejoin India, criticizing Pakistan's treatment of the region's inhabitants as foreigners. India's NSA Ajit Doval is scheduled to visit Moscow for crucial talks aimed at ending the Russia-Ukraine war. The visit signals India's active role in promoting peace in the conflict. Wrestler Bajrang Punia filed a police complaint after receiving threats on WhatsApp, warning him of dire consequences for joining Congress. Police are investigating the matter. It is time for a break now. We'll be back with more news. Stay tuned.
इस तरह आरकेडीएफ विश्वविद्यालय राज्य और देश के आधुनिक और उच्च विश्वविद्यालयों में से एक है।
आरकेडीएफ यूनिवर्सिटी, ये है आरकेडीएफ यूनिवर्सिटी।
आरकेडीएफ यूनिवर्सिटी, a world-class university. Education glorifies nation.
Protesters in Kolkata, including former students and doctors, are demanding justice for a murdered junior doctor. The medic was found dead in the RGKR Medical College last month, sparking ongoing protests. West Bengal Governor C.V. Ananda Bose has asked Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee to replace the state's police chief following tensions over the handling of law and order in the aftermath of a trainee doctor's murder. Parents of the junior doctor murdered in RGKR Medical College alleged that the police attempted to tamper with evidence in the case. The incident has ignited national outrage and protests. Manipur CM N. Biren Singh met with the governor to discuss fresh violence that has left 7 dead. Despite rumors, Singh confirmed that there is no plan to resign amid the unrest. PTI workers rallied in Islamabad demanding the release of party chief Imran Khan, who is imprisoned on corruption charges. Clashes with police led to injuries among demonstrators and officers. Bangladesh interim government warned against disrupting communal harmony during the upcoming Durga Puja festival, pledging strict measures to maintain peace and protect places of worship. Pakistan's Deputy PM Ishaq Dar criticized the previous Imran Khan government for its failure in handling security after Taliban's rise, linking it to the increased terrorism in Balochistan. Venezuelan opposition candidate Edmundo Gonzalez fled to Spain after a disputed election. He sought refuge in the Spanish embassy amid escalating diplomatic tensions between Venezuela and Spain. India's Paralympic contingent achieved its best ever performance at the Paris 2024 Games, clinching 29 medals, including 7 gold, 9 silver and 13 bronze. This historic achievement secured India the 18th spot in the overall medal standing, marking a new milestone for the nation's para sports progress. That's all for the headlines of the day. For more updates, download the app and keep watching Rhythm.